Let's talk about something we all see every single day. A familiar backdrop to our lives that we often choose to ignore. The growing challenge of solid waste management right here in Punjab. It's a story that begins in our homes, travels through our streets, and has a profound impact on the land we cherish. Every single day, Punjab generates over 10,000 tons of municipal solid waste. That's the weight of nearly 1,000 city buses. It's a staggering number that's only growing. But where does it all go? For most of it, the journey ends in open dump sites and overflowing landfills, vast landscapes of our own creation. And what does this mean for our environment, the very soil and water that sustain us? What does it mean for our health as pollution seeps into our air and water? And ultimately, what does it mean for our future and the legacy we leave for the next generation? To understand the solution, we must first face the challenge head-on. Punjab's rapid urbanization and changing lifestyles have fueled a consumption boom. We've moved towards a culture of convenience, one that relies heavily on single-use products and extensive packaging. This has led to a massive increase in the volume and complexity of our solid waste. It's everything from flimsy plastic wrappers and leftover food scraps to discarded electronics and construction debris. It all gets mixed together, creating a complex and hazardous cocktail. This unsegregated waste ends up in open dumps and landfills. These sites aren't just eyesores, they are ticking environmental time bombs. They release methane, a potent greenhouse gas, and consume vast tracts of valuable land. The consequences of this mismanagement are severe and far-reaching. When waste isn't managed properly, a toxic liquid called leachate forms. This poisonous sludge, full of heavy metals and chemicals, seeps deep into the soil and contaminates our groundwater, the source of drinking water for millions. This leads to a higher risk of waterborne diseases like cholera and typhoid. In many areas, waste is simply burned in the open. This releases toxic fumes containing dioxins and furans, dangerous pollutants that worsen air quality and contribute to respiratory problems like asthma and bronchitis. And the plastic. It never truly goes away. It breaks down into smaller and smaller pieces called microplastics. These tiny fragments contaminate our rivers and soil, entering the food chain through the crops we grow and the fish we eat.